Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. My name is David Wilkerson. I'm the owner of Blackstone Asset Recovery. I'm also a high performance real estate coach. Today I just want to make a quick little video and show you guys exactly what you need to do in order to obtain free state fund leads from the state of California. Okay, one of the best parts about being a private investigator for the state of California is they literally give you their leads for free. They hand them over to you, they keep them updated, and it's really easy and nice. So I'm just going to walk you guys through the process on how you guys need to go and grab the leads so you can start calling them and closing deals yourself. So the very first thing you'll do is go up to a search bar, just go to Google, and then type in unclaimed property California. Okay, once you click enter, it's going to bring up a bunch of different websites. The one you want to go to is www.sco.ca.gov. Once you click on that website, it'll take you to the unclaimed property section. You're just going to want to come down here under unclaimed property. There's the download unclaimed property records. Click on that. Now, in the state of California, there's like 475,000 unclaimed property records. So there's a whole lot. So they're going to segregate it down to the ones where it's $0 to $10, $10 to $100, $100 to $500, or $500 plus. When you guys are pulling leads, keep in mind how much money you're going to be making per account. In the state of California, they cap you at 10%. So if you got a $10,000 claim out there, you're going to make $1,000. So you guys just need to become aware of how much you're making and how much your time is worth. A lot of people, what they like to do when they're getting started is they like to come down here and work in these accounts. They're the $100 to $500 range. They're making a little bit of money here, but they're not going to be beating any deals up or losing any deals from not really having the experience points gained yet. And so they kind of practice and get a couple deals under their belt, then jump over here to some of these bigger accounts. But once you click the download button, it's going to have a monster file and it's going to require you to unzip it. So what you're going to want to do is this. Go to unzip, and I'm going to do this over for you guys. Just go to www.easyzip.com. Click on the unzip tab for a zip file. This is what it's going to look like, 0 to 400, or I'm sorry, this is the fourth one down. From 500 up, that's how much money each account is worth, and you're just going to put that down in there. Once you click extract, it's going to have 3 other smaller files that'll be able to be downloaded. Just click download. Boom. There we go on that one. Now, even then, the file size is going to be rather large, and it's going to be in an XLS format. I'm assuming if you guys are going to be downloading these leads, you're going to be getting them skip traced so you can upload them into an auto dialer or something like that. So you're going to want to get them converted to a CVS so the format's correct prior to you getting